I already washed my face using the Biore cleansing oil, and I'll be putting a picture here, or I'll be inserting a video here on the side so you can see what it looks like. So that one is an oil based cleanser, and I know that I have oily to acne prone skin, but I don't normally use it every day. I use it every time that I have like heavy makeup. I'll be inserting a picture here earlier before washing my face, so you'll get a better idea how my face looks like with makeup. So as you can see, I have redness going on here and pimple marks, and on this side I have like a lot of active pimple until here on this side, and here some here. So in this video I'll be showing you what it does to my skin. So I will put it now, and I will show you how I mix it, or how I make it first, or prepare it before putting onto my skin. And tomorrow, the following day, I'll be showing you guys if you'll see any difference, or if it will help. So the things that we'll be needing are plastic container, plastic measuring spoons, the Aztec Indian Healing Clay Mask, and last but not the least is the apple cider vinegar. And I'm using this one. This is the one from Bragg's. First, just take 1 teaspoon of the Indian Healing Clay Mask and add 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar as well. Then after that, mix it thoroughly until it becomes smooth. And after that, you can just apply it onto your face. I recommend a brush so it's easier and it's less messy. Mixture is equal parts, so 1:1. If I'll be putting 1 teaspoon clay mask, I'll also be adding 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. And I'll try not to put it as close to my eyes as possible, because that might irritate my eye. So now I just set the timer to 10 minutes and wait for it to finish. So 2 minutes with this mask on, I still don't feel any stinging sensation or any burning sensation, so I think it's not that harsh on the skin, but I can feel that there's a tightening effect, especially in my nose area, here, this side. So I've noticed that here in this area I feel itchy, or there's an itching sensation going on, and also here. I'll be using a toner. I'm using this number 7 Beautiful Skin Balancing Toner. Then I'll just gently sweep it all over my face. So I'll just be putting on 3 drops on my palm, and I'll put it here first on my eye area, underneath my eye area, as an eye cream, since I've already run out of eye cream, and especially on the areas where I have pimples and acne marks that I want to remove, and apply a generous amount of moisturizer. So this is how my face looks like now. So since last since last night I've used a ring light. I will be showing you also how it looks like on the same ring light that I've used, and even the setup, so you have a better idea. As you can see, it's not that red anymore. So that's it for this video, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell beside it for more videos. See you on my next one. Bye!